Well, hello everybody. How are you? How are you? Yes, my name is Wayne, and you still are watching Inside Fail On. Where am I today? Well, this is River Road. And you know what I do? I try to walk around town covering some events, getting involved with some new businesses or established places, just let you know what's going on in town. That's sort of the idea. And speaking of new businesses, you know something? See this place right here? I think this is brand new. Why don't I do this? Let's go inside for a second, see if I can find somebody to talk to. Oh, I think I maybe found somebody to talk to. Hello, hi.
Hey,
are you Charles?
That would be me.
I think I met you at the opening of the dog park.
That is correct.
My name is Wayne, and I walk around town. I do a show about Fail On. And as far as I'm concerned, or no, you're brand new here.
We are brand new as of tomorrow.
Oh, wow. So I got a chance to maybe chat with you before you're open to the rest of the public?
Exactly.
Do you got a couple of minutes?
It's a Wayne exclusive.
Oh, I love these kinds of guys. Do you have a couple of minutes for me to chat with you?
Come on in.
Okay, first of all, let me just say this. Welcome to Fail On.
Thank you very much.
Let me ask you this. Why Fail On?
Great question.
I thought so.
There is a logistical reason, and then there's kind of a heartfelt reason. Logistically, we have a store that we opened about 2 years ago in North Arlington, which is southern Bergen County.
Okay.
We wanted to find a location that was plus or minus 20 minutes within a radius of that store. So, not too close, not too far. And then I have a younger brother and sister who both graduated from Fairlawn High School. So it just so happened that here we are.
Well, first of all, welcome to town.
Thank you.
Second of all, puppies and tattoos.
Yeah?
Now, walk in front of me for a second.
Sure.
I want to get a better shot of that because there's been a few questions in my head that I think you might be able to help me answer. First
I'll do my best.
Give me an idea about the name.
The name Puppies and Tattoos, that came from when I originally began grooming. I was working in a store where I was new, so many of the customers didn't know my name, and they would just refer to me as, the guy with all the tattoos. And it kind of was a light bulb moment that if I ever opened my own store, I would imagine that that's what everyone would see when they walked in. It would just be a collection of puppies and tattoos.
So we could assume that you don't really give dogs tattoos.
No, we don't tattoo dogs.
I just want to clear
We
it
don't
up.
do tattoos in the imaginary basement while we're grooming dogs. None of that.
You have an
That'd be a
imaginary
nightmare.
basement? That's pretty good. All right, let's talk about grooming. What's the main part about grooming? There's so many different types of dogs.
Yes.
With the different kinds of looks attached to that.
Correct.
Is that ever a challenge for you?
No, it's not.
Well, that's good to know. But
no, we're all breeds welcome shop. So we'll take on the smallest of small dogs that have the least amount of hair to the largest of large dogs that are double coated and everything like that. We have no breed restrictions, no size restrictions. We give everybody a chance, essentially. When they walk through the door, it's a blank slate, no matter what their experience with the grooming was in the past. We're happy to welcome in and give them, like as I just said, a blank slate, and we take it from there. And it's worked out well for us for 2 years in North Arlington, and we hope to continue that experience with everyone here in Fairlawn.
I would imagine with certain kinds of breeds of dogs, there's a certain look that usually is attached to that.
Yes.
Like maybe a poodle, just as a quick example.
Right.
But do you ever get families or owners that say they want something completely different that's really different?
Honestly, yes. I mean, when you learn to groom, you will learn that for each breed, there's what's called the breed standard. And of course, that's in your mind when a dog comes in, if they would be looking for what's considered the breed standard. The reality is, in a store like this, and many family-owned or small-time grooming shops, is that most people, they're not looking for the quote-unquote breed standard. They're looking for something that's comfortable, something that's affordable, something that's simple, that they like, that the dog likes. It's not too much to maintain. Don't get me wrong, there are plenty of customers that we have or have had in the past few years where they are going for that true poodle cut, but most people like to keep it simple. Puppy cuts, teddy bear cuts. You're going to hear those nicknames given to styles all the time. That's what we are pretty good at.
So when we talk about full service, we have an area in people shampoo, washing,
Right.
probably
Full
do
service
nails,
grooming.
everything that you need to do.
Exactly.
Right?
Everything from dogs that are coming just for nail trimming, or dogs that just need a bath, or dogs that need nail trimming bath and a haircut. Whatever the case may be.
How do you like doing what you do?
Well, considering I'm 10 years in at this point, I'd say, and it's 2 stores now, and I'd say it's a passion. You have to be passionate to be a groomer. You have to love dogs. You have to be a dog lover. You can't be a dog liker. You must be a dog lover.
That I could assume right away you have to like dogs to even think about getting involved with this.
Exactly.
All right, suppose people are checking this video out and they want to be able to get in touch with you. You got a number people can reach you at?
Absolutely. The phone number, which you can reach us at obviously via call or we'll accept text messages, is area code 551-804-0172. One more time, 551-804-0172. Don't be afraid to call us or text us. Also, social media. Instagram, Facebook, a lot of people contact us and make appointments through social media.
Which is exactly what some of the places I'll be sharing this video to.
Yeah.
Charles, good luck. Welcome to Fail On. I think you're going to make a lot of parents, families, and dogs smile.
Thank you very much, Wayne.
Now, I know I just kind of walked in on the middle of the day. You get back to work. I'm going to
Thank
go
you,
business
sir.
to more people.
Take care.
Now, when we talk about new businesses in town, by the way, I understand it's a family business too. You got to support these people. And this is a place that I think most of us that have dogs always will need that service. Okay, let me just turn around and let you see exactly where we just were. Okay, this is where we just were. We're right here on River Road. Okay, that's the address, 1016B. That's pretty amazing. So what should I do? Well, I think I'll just keep on walking around to visit some more people. So everybody stay with me as Inside Fail On does continue.